Welcome back, everyone. This was where we stopped in our previous clip. Then we're going to continue from there. We've created the file. The next thing is to click on this file, introduction.html. So in your introduction.html, then after this, we can now write our HTML skeleton. And what do you mean by HTML skeleton? Look at this now. We're going to have HTML. You are going to press enter. Leave a space in between. This first HTML, the one at the top, is what is called the opening tag of HTML, and this second one is what we call the closing tag of HTML. Now, in between the two, we can have in between the two, we are going to have our edge. And before you type edge, the head has to be inside the HTML tag. So look at this arrow here at this side. You're going to click on this arrow. It's going to bring this pop-up. Then you're going to see tab. So you're going to click on this tab. Once you click on the tab, this cursor will move forward. Then you're going to type your edge tag. So this is what we call the edge tag. As soon as I close it, can you see? As soon as the first thing I pressed was I press the less than sign. Then after that, I type edge. Then I press the greater than sign. Then automatically it gives me the closing tag. So the next thing now is that you're going to press enter again. Then inside the edge, inside the head, that means my cursor is there. I have to press tab so that the thing will move forward. Inside the edge, we are going to have our title. Then as soon as I close it, the thing will close as well. Title. So inside our title, let's say we have introduction. That's our title. Then after that, we have our body. The body also is inside the HTML. The body is not inside the head. The head is standing alone. The body also is standing alone. So we're going to have our body tag. Can you see it now? So inside the body, you can now have anything that you want to type. Then let's start with paragraph. Paragraph starts with P, so that will be the paragraph tag. Can you see it now? P. So let's say I am learning web design. I am learning web design. Can you see it now? So that's our paragraph tag. Now, after doing this, the next thing is to save our work. Is to save our work. Look at these three buttons up there in this right hand side corner at the top. You're going to click on it. These things will pop up. You're going to press save. Then after you press save, you're going to click on this play button at the top. At the top, you're going to click on it. So once you click on the play button, it's going to lead you here. Can you see? I am learning web design. If you take note of something, what about this introduction at the head? It won't show on the screen. It's what you have inside the body that's going to be displayed on the screen. Can you see it now? I am learning web design. Can you see it? I am learning web design. So that's how to use Treb edits. It's very good and nice, and you can make use of it towards to do web design. So for now, let me stop here because of our time. So see you in a moment. Thank you.